Math channel. But before that, watch this first. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's start. What kind of number is this? Then, then, okay, those numbers are, you're right, prime numbers. Prime number is a number that has only two factors, itself and 1. Example, 13 is prime because the only numbers that will divide into it evenly are 1 and 13. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, and more.
A few seconds later.
Another. What kind of numbers are this? Then, here, and then here. What are those numbers again? You're right! Composite numbers. Very good. Composite number is a number that has more than two factors. Example, the number 21. The factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, and 21. Examples of composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, and more.
It's math magic time!
Okay, do you want a math magic? Okay, let's start. Think of any 3-digit number. Then, add 5. Okay? Then, multiply it by 3. Then, minus 9. Then, divide the result by 3. Then, after that, subtract the overall result by the number or the 3-digit number that you have chosen. And I know that answer. Let me now reveal Even if you have chosen and have different numbers, but still because of my magic, all of you will end up with the same answer. And that answer is, yes, 2. 2. Okay, do you get it? When you get 2, that means you have no violations at all. That means you're able to get the correct answer. You know the 4 basic mathematical operations already. That's why you end up with 2 as the answer regardless of the number that you have chosen. Congratulations! A common misconception is that odd numbers are always prime numbers, but that's not true. Congratulations! That's how to tell a prime number from a composite number. Remember, if in doubt with big numbers, use divisibility rules. With smaller products, use multiplication tables. And all even numbers except 2 are always composite because 2 is the only even number that is considered as prime number.